masters, all the different ages. And many people tell me it will be going long after I passed away, because in every country they can relate to it.
I can't believe he was on crutches when they did that. Anyway,
I know.
Is everybody ready for a bit of kung fu fighting? Yeah, because these guys certainly are. We are now joined by two masters in Shaolin Kung Fu, Shifu Hung Wei and Shifeng Hung Wen. OK, we'll get out of the way. Off you go. Right, let's go, let's go.
Right, come up the way.
Oh, yes!
Excellent. Well
Absolutely
done.
tremendous. Wasn't that something?
Well, that is all for tonight. Thanks so much to Zoe Tapper,
Thank you,
Adam
thank you
Hill,
both.
and of course to Bruce Willis as well.
Yes, we'll see you tomorrow with Maureen Lipman. Good night.
Yes.
Bye!